Hi, I'm Jason Cords, General Manager. I want to personally thank you for purchasing your vehicle from us and welcome you to the Shaheen family. Myself and the entire Shaheen team appreciates the opportunity to serve you, your family, and your friends. I would like to remind you of a few added benefits you should take advantage of. Number 1, your first oil change is on us. Number 2, the Shaheen Rewards Program. It's a great way to earn points and save money. And number 3, the Shaheen Collision Deductible Reimbursement Program. Within the first year, we will reimburse you for your deductible up to $500 when body work is completed at the Shaheen Chevrolet Body Shop. Again, thank you for the opportunity to serve you, your family, and your friends. If you had a great experience, please let us know by leaving a positive review online. You can access 4 different sites by clicking on the Leave Review tab at www.shaheenchevrolet.com. Finally, please write down our contact information and download the Shaheen Chevrolet app for your smartphone at the App Store or scan the QR code at the end of this video. Thank you.